Kancil's clever bridge. One sunny day, Kancil's tummy made a loud noise. I am hungry. On the other side, he saw trees full of red, juicy rambutans. The river was too deep to swim, and worse, the river was full of big, hungry crocodiles. Kancil sat down and thought. Suddenly, his ears twitched. Ding! He had a tricky plan. Hey, Mr. Crocodile, come here. I have news from the Jungle King. The big crocodile swam over. What do you want, little snack? He grumbled. Kancil smiled. The king is having a big party. He wants me to count all the crocodiles so he has enough dinner for you. A party! Line up! Line up! Shouted the big crocodile. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kancil jumped off the last crocodile. Where is the party? Asked the crocodiles. Kancil giggled. There is no party. I just needed a bridge. Thanks for the ride, silly crocodiles. He sat under the tree and ate the sweet, juicy rambutans until his tummy was full. The end.